Do you want to stand with me?
No, I'm good.
Why? We should stand together.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. But then we look stupid because we're both in black.
No, that looks like we planned it.
No, I'm not standing in this. You're way too attractive to have me in the picture with you.
It's been a while, but don't worry, we've been working. Hello, everybody. We are back. It has been months since we've done an update video, so we decided that it was probably time to update you guys on everything that we have been doing recently. We have done a lot of new projects since our last video, so this video will kind of sum all of that stuff up, and we'll go room to room and kind of give you a little before, after, just to catch everybody up to speed on what we've been working on so far. Okay, so if you're completely new to this journey with us, Andrew and I bought a foreclosure on Skidaway Island about 1.5 years ago, and when we were looking at the house, I had mentioned to some people what house we were looking at, and they were other realtors that I worked with, and someone commented, "Oh my word, y'all are thinking about buying that house? There's everything in the world wrong with it." And I was like, rude? No, it's not. But now that we're in this house 1.5 years later, you know what? He was so right. Wow, I mean, we thought, let's just put some paint on the walls and some floors and a little update here and there, but there's a lot more to it than just that. And we're actually starting tomorrow a really big project. It's probably the biggest one that we've done so far. We're gonna be getting a new roof. There's lots of skylights in this house, so lots of glass in South Georgia. 100-degree weather means really expensive electric bills and a really hot house. So all the glass is going away. We're getting a new roof. All that is starting tomorrow. So we'll be documenting that along the way as well. So let's get going and I'll show you guys what we've been up to. As you guys can see, we have been doing a lot of work on this house. Been some great times, been some terrible times too, but we've made it through. Look at that, Dr. Seuss right there. So there's a lot of videos to come. We think our next one is going to be bathroom updates. Our master bath is what we just completed, and whoops. So our next video is going to be bathroom updates. We have 2.5 baths in this house, and we have completed 2 of the bathrooms. We are currently working on the half bath. That'll probably be its own separate video later, so stay tuned. We will have another video for you next week. Thank you guys for joining in on this crazy ride where we literally don't know what we're doing, but we're trying. Good. See, we've been doing a lot on the house.
That's pretty funny.
I mean, golly Moses.
No, you just need to do it.